Who's in the box? Oh, what's in the box?
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of What's in the Box. Is boxes. Alright, so I'm doing a double open on this one because they're basically part of something. Two different suppliers. Once again, the reason why I ordered these online is I can't get these locally. They have to order them for me locally, and it's too expensive when they do that. Oh, yeah. Titchy Train Boy. Fanboy here. Okay. That's that. This is the other half. I got a little itchy with the titchy. Yeah. Alright, so I got a boom car and the Wreckem crane. So I paid for the actual crane. I actually paid less than that. And for the boom car, that's basically how I paid for it delivered. I paid basically that price delivered. So I can't really complain. But like I said, no one in this area had them, so I was kind of stuck going outside. Let's check this out. Ooh, look at this. Again, details looking pretty good on this stuff. These look pretty good. Oh, finally weight. But got these rollers. See that? It's where the cables wind to. I gotta take a look at that. Somebody somewhere mentioned something about putting electric motors in there, and I just happen to have a couple of micro geared motors that I got somewhere, and I got them for a different thing. I got a I got a snow plow that I'm going to put them in. One in. Got a nice weight. I wish that was it for the other one. Metal deck box car, flat car. Yeah. Yeah. It's got some wood on it. Yeah, we're going to use that Vallejo wood kit. Wood effects paint on this one. That's for sure. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching another episode of What's in the Box on Jack on Tracks. And as always, I will catch you later.